Sam here with MarineMax Coco, and today I want to show you this brand new 2023 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. As you can see in the platinum hull color, upgraded rub rail with a stainless steel insert, fits nicely on this Magic Tilt trailer. Back here you can see a 3-step boarding ladder, makes access on and off the boat very easy in the water. Paired with the Mercury 115 command thrust, this baby will go push this boat beautifully. Let's take a look inside. Back here you can see enough room to maneuver while fishing. Reversible pilot seat, doubles as a leaning post. At the helm, it already has your JL audio and enough space for MFD of your choice. As we make our way up to the front, you have insulated fish box, store your catch of the day, separate anchor locker, and this boat is already plumbed with a trolling motor. You also have a removable cooler that doubles as a seat. This boat is available and ready for delivery. If you'd like to go for a sea trial or check the boat out, give us a shout at 321-636-3142. Thank you.